Hi everyone. Good morning, and my name is Sajid Keshwan. And like I said, I'm an AI enthusiast, and I have been curious about AI because of which I've been exploring various tools and various updates that are coming in the space. So, if you are also an AI enthusiast, you should follow my videos so that you can also learn as I am learning. Today, I will give you a quick snapshot of how automation tools can transform anyone's life. So now you can create your own AI agent which will exclusively work for your problems. And there are many automation tools or AI agents which are available in the market. Zapier is one such tool. There is something called N8N. There is Pably Connect. These are all tools which do smart connectivity between day to day tools that we use, like Gmail, you have Facebook, you have WhatsApp. They will connect all of them together. They are connectors. So we'll try to create a quick, uh, you know, AI agent to solve a specific utility or to create a specific feature. That's what we will do in this quick video. I will show you as to how Zapier looks like. So this is how the Zapier looks like. I've got a 3-day pro trial, and that's what I'm currently using to show you. So in Zapier, what you can do is there is something called Zap. So Zap is a feature within Zapier through which you can create custom AI agents. So that's what we will use today to create this quick agent. Now I'll give you an example of what problems such AI agents can solve. So I have given you an example here. So what I want to do is all my leads come on Gmail. So through emails. So what I've created as a use case is scan Gmail every 15 minutes for all new unread emails in the inbox. Search the subject and body for keywords like inquiry, sales, lead, price, quote. So anything which can remotely reflect a sales inquiry, those emails it should track. And if a match is found, I have designated a Google Sheet. It should go to that Google sheet and enter the row for it. So that row I have, I have created column headers which will have timestamp, sender name, sender email, subject, matched keywords, and blah blah blah. Once it's all done, match the email with a Gmail label. Mark the email with a Gmail label agent process to avoid duplicate entries on the next row. So this is uh, the limited use case that I've created, but this will make it very complicated. So I'll remove this. I'll just stick to these three. Let's see whether Zap can do that. So I'll copy it from here. I'll paste it here. And it's as simple as that. And then click enter. So now it's trying to analyze the information or the instruction set that I have given, and it will kind of come to a conclusion whether it can be done, it can't be done. If it can be done, what are the details it needs from me? So now it's asking me, so it's done the initial assessment, and based on which it's asking me to go to Zap editor now for the next set of activities. So this is how the Zap editor looks. Most of the tools which actually create an app or create a website or help in automation, all of them look similar to this. So left side is the window wherein you actually get to know what all is happening, and right side gives a pictorial view of what is the outcome of it. So if let's say you are creating a website, the left side will say what all things are being added to the website, and right side will actually show how the website is transforming based on it. Now, the first thing it's asking me is I need you to connect your Gmail account. Let me prompt for that, sign into Gmail. So that's the first thing it's asking me to do. So I have to connect the Gmail account where I want this to be done. So let's do that first. So I have given the Gmail access now. So that part is done. It can, you can see it's confirming here that Gmail access is now available. Now it's saying, let me set the Gmail trigger. Let me try that again with proper formatting. So here you can see It's giving a workflow as well, where it says Gmail, new email, select the event for your Zap to run. It's on the second step now. So now you can see it says excellent, Gmail is now working. So the first step is done, which is to access Gmail and try to scan Gmail. Now it's gone to the next step wherein it's setting the filter mechanism to check for those keywords. That's what you can see here. I'll set up the filter to check for any of your sales keywords in the subject or body. So it's on the second step now, wherein it's setting up the process and systems so that that can happen. Now it's going to the third step, which is setting up the Google Sheet. And that is where it's asking me to sign into the Google Sheet now. So I'll follow the same process and I'll go to the same email ID, give access to that, and click continue. And I have done my job. That is, I have given Zapier access to my Google Sheet. But I have still not specified which Google Sheet it has to kind of access. Maybe it will ask in some time as to which Google Sheet I should give access to. So now it's saying let me get the worksheet and the corresponding so basically the Google Sheet name and the worksheet name. See, it's already, there is only one Google spreadsheet, I guess, there. So it's already figured out which one it is. And it says perfect. I can see the spreadsheet as columns for name, email, phone, inquiry, date, status, and follow up. Now let me map the email fields to the spreadsheet columns. So now we have reached the final stage wherein this particular Zapier tool is telling me that it's fully configured this whole instruction set that I gave. So it says Gmail scans inbox every 15 minutes for new emails, detects 15 sales intent keywords and action, appends matching emails to Google Sheets with sender name, blah blah blah. And it's asking me to publish it. So let me go ahead and publish it. And you can see now it's preparing to publish and says your Zap is on and using version V1. And it says your Zap is now live. Now we can test it. So we'll test it by sending an email to that specific email ID and checking what is the response for that. So now we'll go back and test it and see whether it is working. So I have used the same email ID in two with this one, and I have put the subject line as inquiry for sale, and I'll say in the body, hi, this is an inquiry for purchase of the product. Please send code and click on send. So this is the email box that we have configured in Zapier. So we have to wait for the email to land here and then we will see how much time it takes for it to get configured there. So as you can see, the email has come. It's the same email that we sent from the other email box, inquiry for sale. This is an inquiry for purchase of the product. Please send the code. So we'll wait for 1 or 2 more minutes and then check whether this inquiry will get fed in the Google Sheet or not. So now we'll go back to the Google Sheet and check whether this email that has come, the latest one, whether it's entered in Google Sheet or not. So when we go here, check the last one, row number 6. It says the inquiry has come from Sajid Keshwan. That's the name of the email box. The email ID is this. And let's see. The phone number, obviously, since I have not put any phone number in the email, the phone number is not captured. Inquiry subject line is inquiry for sale, that gets captured here, and the date is in a different format, but we can always correct it. So now it's the Zap that we created using the Zapier tool. Now it's perfectly working and it's capturing the details. I don't have to worry about it. Whenever a new email comes which remotely reflects any kind of inquiry for sale, it will get captured in this Google Sheet, which is called Test Zapier Agents. So this is a classic example of how you can use an AI agent to work for you while you relax. There can be multiple use cases for this in different industries. So what you should do is you should use the AI tools like Cloud, ChatGPT, DeepSeek to figure out what are the use cases for an AI agent in your industry. Let's say you're in IT or you are in uh, passport facilitation services, or you have an interior designing firm of your own. So you should go back to DeepSeek or Cloud and say, give me set of use cases for an AI agent or Zapier AI agent or Pably Connect AI agent in my area, which is interior designing. And then it will give you list of possibilities. And then you use these tools to create an automation like this. I hope you like this video. If you do like it, please do share with other friends and colleagues of yours. And till we meet again, have a good rest of the day and please do subscribe to my channel.